some brains in to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough never just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. Today's video is on how to make bouncing kinky, which I already have like 3 to 4 videos tutorial on that, but the questions keep coming in. Please watch this video very careful because it's very detailed. If you are new, please go ahead to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you once more for tuning in. Don't forget to share, leave a comment, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like the end results. For this video we used 2 packs of series, which was not supposed to be so. We're supposed to use either 2.5 packs or 3 packs, but the clients could not afford the 3rd pack, so I just decided to manage what I have in hand. The extension is called series from Expression Product, and like I said before, I used only 2 packs. The extension to be enough, I decided to section the hair into medium sizes so that the extension will go round, and for this reason the bouncing nature of the hair did not come out the way it should. Sectioning out the hair, we just start by unrolling and attaching the extension to the hair, and after that I'm just taking a very little pieces of the extension just to thread it at the bottom. It gives it a beautiful look. Just divide the hair into 2 and then start twisting. The twisting is to the right, and this is the only way the bounce nature will be pronounced. And while twisting, try as much as possible not to straighten the extension, just twist the hair as it is. Twist until I get to the tips and then roll the extension to itself and tie a knot. After twisting and tying the knot, I'm just rolling the hair in between my hands just so that the bounce nature will be pronounced. So these are the major steps to take while making bouncing kinky twist. You conroll. After conrolling, you tie a thread underneath it just so that the bottom will be beautiful, and after that you just divide the hair into 2 and twist, and after twisting tie a knot. Then after tying the knot, you just roll the hair in between your hands just so that the bouncing nature of the hair will just be pronounced. Lots of people put the extension into water before attaching it to the hair. That's the series. In whichever way, the main step for the bouncing nature of the hair to come out is just to twist to the right, and after twisting to the right, you just roll it in between your hands. That is the major steps. Is very lightweight, and to achieve a very good bounce is to at least use enough extension. A small head we use like 2.5 packs, and then for the bigger head you use 3 packs. Here I'm only trying to manage the extension, and she actually really wants it scanty, so that's why the bouncing nature of the hair is not really pronounced. So you just keep twisting until you get to the top of the head. part of the hair, I'm just sectioning it in lines, and then after that we'll just take little portion out of it and thread it all the way to where her natural hair stops. After that, after threading it, I'm just going to tie it into a knot. We'll continue threading until I'm done threading all the sections of the straight side. After threading all the lines, I'm just twisting all the threaded hairs in lines to itself. Hope you guys understand my explanation. Twisting it to itself, I'm just using needle and thread to secure it down before twisting the tips and tying the knots. So we just do the same on the other lines. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Hope it's helpful. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on my social media account, especially my Instagram page, Beauty Hall JJ, on your screen. We'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed.